So hi friends, how are you? So I hope you are doing well. So in this chapter we will learn about the React hooks. So how React hooks works. There are multiple React hooks are available. So the React hooks are introduced in ES React 16.08 version. So the before React 16.08 version we are using the class component. So in the class component we are unable to use the React hooks. So we are managing our states using the lifecycle methods, like there are multiple methods are there, like component did mount, component should update and mount. There are multiple methods are there. So we are managing our states using using the React lifecycle methods. So like after the React 16.8 version, the React hooks are introduced. So React hooks are allowed to manage component states in the functional component. So before React 16.8 version, in the functional component we are unable to maintain the component states. So after the React 16.08 version, so we are able to manage our states in the functional component as well. So there are some React hooks, like there are some rules also that we cannot hooks can only be called inside a functional component. If you are trying to access the hooks inside a class component, then it will throw an error or it will doesn't execute there. So React hooks only execute in the functional component, and the React hooks can only be called at the top of the component. So if you are trying to access the React hooks inside the return or like at the bottom, so it will doesn't, like it will throw an error or it will so it's a rule for accessing your React hooks, that hooks can be called at the top level of the component. And there are React hooks cannot be conditional, like you cannot write the React hooks inside the condition, like there are if condition or else conditions. If you are, so React hooks are not accessible inside the conditions. So this is the basic React hooks introductions. So why introduction, why React hooks are coming into the picture.